How many crackers are you supposed to have?
6. Are you guys ready? Ready?
Alright. You guys have 5! What are you doing?
Hi, YouTube.
How you guys doing today?
Hi.
Today we're gonna have an eating contest. Let's see who can eat the fastest.
The teenage boy, the
The
mother of
overweight
3,
mom.
or the fat dad.
Alright. Are you guys ready? We're gonna start off with the hot dog and crackers, lastly an egg.
So, do we have to,
Time it.
do we have to go through each one separately?
Yeah.
Or are we
We're gonna
just-
finish. We're gonna see who finishes the hot dog first, and then once we finish it, then we'll stop and we'll see who won.
And let me just tell you guys, we don't have any drinks,
No drinks,
and there's no condiments
no condiments.
on this, so it is going to be really dry until we hit the egg,
And the egg tastes.
and then
so
the
wrong.
egg's not gonna.
I can't believe some people just drink like 3 eggs. It's like,
Yeah, they put it in the
High
milkshake.
protein.
High
That's
protein.
good. All right,
Ready?
ready?
oh, they're doing a hot
Are,
dog.
are we pausing after we're done with the hot dog?
We're just gonna say who won, and then we're gonna go into the next one.
Okay.
Ready? Set. Go. Don't choke because I don't want to out. Just kidding, yes I do. I thought it was gonna be a lot faster like this. Like in my head, I thought it was gonna go like super fast. This is not working well for me.
How are you over there?
I'm talking too much.
Right, stop talking. Did you spit it out?
Mm-mm.
Oh. Speed eating champions, we're not.
No, dude, we would have been lost.
Have we had like 30 hot dogs down? How do you do that?
What?
I'm done, guys. I'm done.
What?
Oh! I even lost.
I mean, you can eat it off the ground. And lost. Parents number 1. He looks so salty.
So,
Like you can have it.
How many crackers are you supposed to have?
6. Are you guys ready? Ready?
Alright. You guys have 5! What are you doing? 6? Like, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. What the hell? She cheats.
It is like, yeah.
Wow. You know what? I'll do it. I'll do 6. You guys do 5. That's cool. You just gonna do all of them at the same time?
No, I'm gonna choke.
Super dry cracker. Yeah.
Saltines and peanut butter challenge.
You guys ready? Oh, that'd be really nasty. Ugh, and dry. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh! It caught my mouth.
Holy no!
Oh, hard.
My whole mouth is dry.
That's what I'm saying. It's super dry.
Not enough. Dude,
There's no moisture.
there's no saliva left.
You have to lick those crumbs up.
Wow!
Oh,
Dude,
wow.
did you just see that? He's spraying it out like a machine gun.
Yeah, bring me some water under the table.
He's just over under the drinking.
No, I think I'm kind of looking forward to that egg. My mouth is like really dry.
I knew the saltine was gonna be like a next level. Whoa.
I don't know what all means.
Oh,
Peter! Peter! No!
look at this.
It is a little puff, guys.
That's a little water.
Look, it didn't stuck in my tongue.
I can't swallow it! It's not. Okay, we're done.
Done.
Where's my hot dog? I need to drink more water. I think you got 6.
This is an interesting challenge, guys.
Okay.
What's for dinner?
Fuck this, I'm full. I'm full, guys. No dinner. This wasn't wrong.
It should have been hard boiled eggs. I can't keep.
All right, guys. Round 3.
Hold on, we're still chewing. We're still chewing.
Jeez. I had a cool minute.
How the fuck did you do it?
Speed chewing.
That's right, it creates saliva.
Mm-hmm. Speed chewing.
You have to chew really fast.
Chew, 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 chew.
It works off. Round 3. So far, William has won all of these.
I kind of thought so.
I thought I was gonna do so good.
You told me
You were just
the
like,
other day. You told me you would be surprised how fast your mama eats.
And look at how fast I eat. Aren't you surprised?
she's over here with a hot dog with her pinky up, just like elegantly, like taking little bites.
I'm
I
over
messed
here
up my makeup.
chomping, almost choking.
Oh, that's tragic.
Did I?
Well, you got a little bit done. No, you're fine.
Okay, the last one.
All right.
Oh, excuse me. No, that's not very ladylike.
All right, ready, guys?
1, 2, 3. Wait, we were supposed to put it in the cup first. You lost.
No. I did that.
Yeah.
The cup looks clean. Ready, Aiden?
Oh no.
I did that.
Egg.
I want to see this.
I love that. Like, no problem.
Ew.
Just drink it. Don't
No, I can't. Mm-mm.
eat it or wear it.
I'd rather wear this.
Okay.
I lost this one for sure. Mm-mm.
Okay, guys.
I lost every
First,
single round.
second, third.
You cheated. What do you mean?
Disqualified.
First, knock the hot dog out of my hand.
Second?
You take a drink of water. Oh, you didn't.
No, I didn't.
You got water.
But now we do.
Maybe you can drink some more. That egg hit the spot.
Did it? Did you like it?
Yeah.
You
I
got
didn't even taste it. It went straight back there, and I just.
Did
go,
you drink the whole thing? You
Yeah.
did? That should have been in this challenge.
I left a little bit.
That egg was. I thought about it too much.
I was like, oh, it tasted salty, kind of.
I normally can do the eggs really good. I don't know what happened to me.
No, I didn't even think about it.
Aiden psyched me out, for sure. And it was like, and then it grossed me out, and I was like, because I like eggs like this.
I didn't even taste it.
No, you still have some.
Some yuck. What is that called? The part around the yolk?
All right, guys.
If you guys know what that part's called, leave it in a comment below. I'll probably Google it after this.
Thanks for watching us. If we don't make any more YouTube videos, it's because one of us got salmonella.
And I canceled her.
And it canceled for the next couple weeks. But we'll be back.
If you have any comments or ideas, please leave them in the comment box below. Give us a like, maybe share our video. Hit the subscribe button. I guess there's a little bell icon that you can hit as well. That'd be really nice. So you get informed on all our info and upcoming videos. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day.
Bye-bye. What are you doing?
Just playing with the egg.
Dude, that really did fill me out.
No, it didn't.